Mac OS apps. Whether you're drafting a document, analyzing data, or creating stunning presentations, Mac OS offers a variety of powerful tools to help you accomplish your goals, from Apple's native installations to the versatile Microsoft 365 and open source options like LibreOffice. Their solution to fit every need and budget. In this presentation, we'll delve into the key features, strengths, and unique capabilities of each suite. We'll start by exploring iWork, Apple's intuitive and beautiful design suite that integrates with the Mac OS ecosystem. Next, we'll look at Microsoft 365, the industry standard for office productivity, known for its features and cross-platform capabilities. We'll also examine LibreOffice, a powerful open source alternative that offers a wide variety of tools at no cost, and other alternatives. The iSuite on the Mac comprises three main applications: Pages, Numbers, and Keynote. iWorks is an office suite of applications created by Apple for its Mac OS and iOS operating system, and is also available cross-platform. I created this presentation using Numbers. Pages is the word processor and desktop publishing application. Pages allows you to use your Mac for editing documents such as letters, reports, and brochures. It offers various design tools for creating professional-looking documents. One of the things that are some of the features of Pages is that it has a user-friendly interface, templates and design options, text and graphic integration, collaboration features, compatibility with other softwares such as you can readily import or export rather pages into Microsoft Office. It has iCloud integration, which is Apple's cloud storage, and it offers multimedia support where you can import pictures and videos and such. And Pages is free to all Mac OS users. Numbers is the spreadsheet application, and Numbers provides tools for organizing data, calculations, and creating visualization like charts and graphs. It is designed with flexibility and visual-oriented approach compared to the traditional spreadsheet software. And again, Numbers offers a flexible canvas-based layout. It has templates and pre-designed elements, powerful calculation and data tools, rich data presentations, and of course, it's compatible with Microsoft Excel. It also includes iCloud integration, and its main focus is on usability. Keynotes is the equivalent to Microsoft PowerPoint, and it's a presentation software that's used to create slideshows with text, images, videos, and animation. And again, it has professional quality presentations, intuitive and user-friendly interface, a powerful animation and transitional effects, seamless integration with multimedia, and it is also compatible with Microsoft PowerPoint, and as well as having iCloud integration. Keynote also supports interactive features such as hyperlinks, and it has an extensive array of presenter tools. So in summary, these apps are part of the iWork suite, and it comes pre-installed on most Mac computers and are fully integrated with the Apple ecosystem, including iCloud, which allows for syncing across devices. While they offer many features similar to Microsoft Office, the interface and some functionalities differ, and compatibility with Microsoft Office format is generally good, but not always perfect. So if you're into using Microsoft Office, you'll be happy to know that Office 365, also known as Microsoft 365, is fully compatible with the Mac OS. Microsoft offers Mac OS versions for Office applications that are specifically designed for Mac, and they include Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Teams, and Microsoft OneDrive. Some of the key compatibilities of the Microsoft 365 is that it is native to Mac OS, meaning that it's designed to work seamlessly on Mac computers. They take advantage of all the Mac's features as far as Retina display support and more. It also has regular updates for its macOS Office apps, ensuring that they're up to date with the latest features, security improvements, and compatibility with new versions. It also features parity, with there are some minor differences in the user interface and specific features of between Windows and Mac OS versions. Most of the core functionality is the same across platforms. This makes it easier for users to switch between Mac and Windows without a steep learning curve. It also has cloud integration with Microsoft 365. Files are automatically synced with OneDrive, making easy access across devices, including Macs, PCs, tablets, and smartphones. It also has cross-platform collaboration. Documents created on Mac OS can be opened in Windows devices and vice versa, supporting seamless collaboration in mixed environments. And it is also subscription-based, meaning you pay monthly or annually for access to Office Suite, including cloud services and regular updates. If you have a subscription to Microsoft 365, it's available to users on 6 different devices. So if you happen to have a Mac in the mix, you can also use one of those uh, licenses for your Mac computer. So some of the key compatibilities is that Microsoft supports the latest versions, uh, but it's also important to check compatibility if you're using older versions of the Mac OS. But it typically supports the current Mac OS and usually 2 previous major versions. In summary, Microsoft Office 365 or Microsoft 365 is fully compatible with Mac OS, offering a variety of productivity tools that integrate well with the Apple ecosystem. There are several other uh, free Office suites that are available that can serve as alternative to the Microsoft 365. And some of the popular ones are LibreOffice. LibreOffice is a powerful free open source Office suite that offers a wide range of applications similar to Microsoft Office. It includes Writer, which is a word processor, Calc for spreadsheet, Impress for presentations, uh, Base for databases, and Math for formula editing. It is compatible with Microsoft Office in all file formats, allowing for you to edit and save files in formats like .docx, XLSX, and PPTX. And it regularly gets updated by a large community of developers. Google Docs is another alternative, and Google Workspace offers a suite of online productivity tools that are free, and they consist of Google Docs for word processing, Google Sheets for spreadsheets, and Google for presentations, along with Google Drive for storage. The compatibility is that Google's tools support importing and exporting Microsoft Office file forms for real-time collaborations. It is cloud-based, accessible through any web browser on a macOS with other access available through the Google Chrome extensions. There's also Apache OpenOffice, which has Writer, Calc, Impress, Draw, Base, and Math. And is compatible with Microsoft Office formats as well, though it's not as polished as LibreOffice, but it offers current updates and community support. OnlyOffice is a free Office suite that offers both desktop and cloud-based applications focusing on document collaboration, compatibility with Microsoft Office formats. And its components are document, spreadsheet, and presentation editor. And it's highly compatible with Microsoft Office formats and integrates well with services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. There's also WPS Office, and it offers a free version of its Office suite that is lightweight and with a user interface that's very similar to Microsoft Office. It has Writer, Spreadsheet, and Presentation as its components, and it's also compatible with Microsoft Office formats, offering cloud integration for storage and sharing. So, in conclusion, these Office suites provide a variety of features that can meet most productivity needs, some offering for free and others for paid software like Microsoft Office. It is clear that the landscape offers a diverse array of powerful tools, all each with their own strengths and unique capabilities. Whether you're drawn to seamless integration and design of the Apple's iWorks, the comprehensive features and cross-platform prowess of Microsoft 365, or the flexibility and free-driven innovation of LibreOffice, there's a suite tailored to fit your workflow. We also highlighted traditional options like Google Workspace, Apache OpenOffice, and OnlyOffice that macOS users have no shortage of choices when it comes to enhancing their productivity. Ultimately, the best suite depends on your specific needs, whether it's collaboration, advanced editing, cost effectiveness. The good news is that Mac OS supports all these options, giving you the freedom to select the tools that best align with your personal and professional goals. So that's our presentation on Mac OS apps, Office alternatives. This is Tech for Senior. I'm Bill James, Tech for Senior. Thank you for listening.
Be better organized in your browsing. I'm Hewie Poplock. Tired of cluttered browser with countless tabs? We've all been there. Millions of tabs open, losing focus, and getting lost in the sea of information. Max Focus is here to help you stay focused and organized. Browsing the web made easier. No more switching tabs. No more losing focus. Preview links right where you are. It's a better way to read the web. Unlock all the features and future updates with Max Focus Pro. Browse the web faster and easier. Save time searching and spend more time reading. Try Max Focus today. Easy open. Long click or hover or shortcut on any link and see the preview right away. A reader mode. Read articles without distractions. A clean, reader-friendly view. YouTube previews. Watch videos without any sidebars or temptations to click away. Just the video, nothing else. Focus mode. Concentrate on the content you're reading. Dim the rest of the page to reduce distractions. Customize everything. Choose how you want to open previews. and how they behave and what they look like. Activation triggers, pop-up behavior, pop-up color, and performance options. Let's take a look at Max Focus and then come back to our description. Max Focus works nicely in a Google search. Let's look at vegetables in season in Florida. When we go to a website, we left mouse click, hold it down, and here are some questions we get. So one of them is, how can I find what's in season in Florida? And it will then go out and answer that question nicely. We'll find out the information we want. We then have the information we need without going out to a lot of different tabs and places on the web. Let's do an image search from Google. We'll go to images. We're going to use the term of find vegetables in season in Florida. We find one. It's a nice picture. We'll right mouse click on it, and then we will just save the image as, and then use the title that it had and save it. And we have that image without leaving the Google search. Let's do one more just to show you how, again, how it's done. Right mouse click on the picture. Save image as. Make sure you have a title, and then go ahead and save it. In my Outlook email reader, we'll take a look at one of the emails that has some links in it. We left mouse click and hold, and it brings up that link within the page. And then at the top, it has the link. So if we want to open the actual article, we can click on that or copy it. And then let's go down to the next one. We, again, left mouse click and hold, and it brings up the next article. So without leaving the page, we're able to read the article. Let's use Amazon as an example of Max Focus. Let's go down to an alternative item. Take a look at it by pressing and holding the left mouse button, and it brings up that item. And you'll see that there are some AI assistants with some questions. Let's look at it with a different item, one that I had already purchased. And you'll see under the Max Focus AI Assistant, it gives a summary of the page. And then we'll do it again. And this time we'll get key points from the page. And it'll list all the key points from it. And then thirdly, we will look at getting action points from the page. Max Focus on an Amazon product. I use a news feed reader called Feedly, and when I find an article of interest, I left mouse click it and hold it down, read through the article, again, without leaving the Feedly. If I like the article, I go and I right mouse click on the website URL, and then I open up Facebook, and what's on my mind, I paste that address into that. I go to next, and when I click on next, it is ready to add to my feed, but also I can check the boxes for Tech for Senior Sarasota Technology User Group, click next, and it's done and posted. Here are some of the settings. First, you have some general settings, things that you can turn on and off. And then you'll have some pop-up behaviors, what you want it to do, how long you want it to take, and so on. Then there's an appearance. You can change the colors of the pop-ups. You can have URL tracking protection and warn about any dangerous links. Under performance, you can have a power saving mode, and you can reduce the motion. And under AI settings, you can show the AI prompt suggestions, enable quick previews, and open with Alt and then the hover trigger. Max Focus works on all major desktop browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Vivaldi, and Brave. Secure browsing with confidence. Explore the web with the assurance that your privacy is protected at every turn with them. They prioritize your security with robust features designed to maintain your digital autonomy. So what is Max Focus Link Preview and the extension? It's like the link preview on iOS Safari or the Arc pinned websites preview. But it works in other browsers as an extension. Scroll through your feed faster, save time, and don't get lost in multiple tabs. How does Max Focus work? Just long click or hover over a link on any web page, and Max Focus will show you a preview of the content behind the link. Adjust settings to change the size, duration, and other preview options. Pay once, use forever. Now the cost, when you first take a look at the page, with the cost you see $8, $17.90, and $26.90. Well, that sounds like quite a bit for per month. But if you read it carefully, it says pay once, use forever. In other words, if you want the Pro without AI, it's $8 and you're done. That's your license. You own it. If you want the Pro lifetime with AI, then it's $17.90. One time, one payment. Or if you want the Pro with ChatGPT 4 Omni, it's $26.90. One time, you get a license and you're done with it. There's no monthly fee. Which websites does Max Focus work on? It works on all websites, including social media platforms, news websites, blogs, and more. You can use it on any web page that has links. Preview links in Google Search with Max Focus. Get a preview of any link in Google Search with a single click. Search faster and stay focused on browsing. Ways to preview links in the Max Focus. Link previews can significantly enhance your browsing experience by letting you quickly check the contents of a link before fully committing to open it. The Max Focus Link Preview extension offers several convenient ways to open links and preview them. You can preview links everywhere. Use Max Focus to preview links in Notion, Google Docs, and other websites. Get a quick overview of any link without leaving your workspace. The advantages of link preview tools: time saving. Link previews save you time by giving you a glimpse of the content without loading a new page. Instead of sifting through numerous tabs, you can quickly judge if the link is worth exploring further. By using Max Focus, for instance, you can use a simple hover or long click to access a preview, keeping your browsing efficient. Improved focus. Link previews helps you stay on your current page while looking at links. This lowers the chance of getting lost in many tabs and forgetting your main task. Your browser stays neat with fewer distractions. Max Focus offers a clean reader view to help you stay focused. Social media browsing. Social media is full of links, and opening each one can be time-consuming. With link previews, you can quickly check if the content interests you. Using Max Focus, you can preview links right on the same page without switching tabs, keeping your social media browsing smooth and efficient. Research and news reading. When researching or catching up with the news, you can encounter many sources. Link previews let you skim through the content quickly, prioritizing which to read in detail. Max Focus helps by allowing you to preview the content linked in articles, saving you from opening multiple tabs for information that may not be useful. Max Focus link previews shows text and images and have a media mode feature. This feature lets you change the size to 16:9 for watching videos from YouTube and other websites without opening a new page. When shopping online, you often need to compare products from different websites. Link Previews helps you quickly check product details without opening multiple tabs. Max Focus lets you preview images and descriptions, making your shopping experience more efficient. Use Max Focus to preview links in Google. Get a quick overview of any website without leaving the search results. Use online services and apps in Google Search. Try online services and apps right in Google Search. Get a quick overview of any link without leaving the search results. Use Max Focus to preview links event in Google Images. Get a quick overview of any image without leaving the search results. You can preview the links everywhere.
It's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior. Yes, I'm cooking breakfast. It's Saturday morning. We just had a meeting with Huey and Bob to get the show ready for Monday, and I realized I've got to get a video out. So I'm thinking here, what am I going to talk about? Well, I thought I'd talk about it over breakfast. As you can see, I'm making bacon and French toast because I'm tired of having cereal every day for this week because our kitchen is being renovated. So I'm out on the deck here and I was wondering, what am I going to talk about? And I thought I would talk about something I've spent a lot of time making videos about, and that is staying connected. So as I'm making breakfast today, I'm just going to talk about my thoughts on staying connected, how important it is to prevent social isolation with seniors. Now you can see, I'm also doing this on my new Pixel 8 Pro phone, so I want to test out the camera and see how it works. You probably look out behind me here, you'll see the marina, and of course if you turn around you will have seen the Blackstone grill as I'm sitting out here making breakfast. So let me talk about staying connected as I make breakfast. All right, hold on a sec here while I get the French toast on. You see the bacon's getting pretty good. I always find that I have to crank the grill up a bit when I put the French toast on. So let me just get this going, and then we'll get these on. And there we go. And we'll zoom out here a bit. There we go. French toast on. The bacon looks pretty darn good. Oh, this is coming up. I'm just going to turn the grill up here, and we are going to have some good groceries in a few minutes. So staying connected, as you know, I have two daughters. One lives in Adelaide, Australia, and the other, of course, is Jennifer, and her family live in Addis Ababa. So a long way away, like half a world away, no matter which way I go. So staying connected and talking to them is super important for us. And the advice I can give you is you need to know what language your kids speak. Whoever you want to contact or who talk to, you have to figure out the language, such as, is it FaceTime? Is it WhatsApp? What are they using in social media to connect? Many of you may try to send them an email. Well, I'm going to tell you that you're about 20 years too late, because anybody younger than us isn't using email to communicate. They're using social media. Now, for us, both my children are all Apple. They're all in with Apple. And so for many years, we used FaceTime. We bought an iPad, and that's how we would communicate, using FaceTime. But more recently, in the last couple of years, they've all switched to WhatsApp. And I've talked about WhatsApp before, and I've had two videos made about WhatsApp and installing WhatsApp. And it has, of course, tremendous popularity, particularly around the world. And that's based on security and ease of use. So I want to tell you, of course, you all know that Jennifer just left with her family and headed back to Addis. And that's always a tearful time and difficult time for us as we have to say goodbye at the airport. But you know, when they're over in the Vancouver airport, we were talking to our little grandson and sending videos back and forth and staying communicated. And as you see, when they flew from Vancouver to Istanbul, here's a video of Jennifer the day she got to Istanbul, having dinner at the top of their hotel.
Hi, we just arrived in Istanbul and we're at our hotel. We've just come up to the restaurant, and this is what we saw.
Okay, now we're back. And of course, the next day they go out and they bought Julian, our little grandson, an ice cream cone. And this is a very cute video. I want you to watch this.
Yes, please. Thank you. Why? Yes, please. Thank you. Come here. Right? Right.
And that, of course, was sent to us on WhatsApp. We watched that immediately after it was taken, as it was immediately uploaded to WhatsApp. And we were able to download it and view it and stay connected. And of course, we met them and talked to them as they were arriving in Addis through WhatsApp. Now, I'm not saying everyone should use WhatsApp, but what I'm saying is that's what they're using, so that's what I'm going to use. So if you want to stay connected, let's not get into social isolation. Figure out what your kids are using for social media. Well, I think my French toast is cooked, so I'm going to head over for breakfast, and Ray's coming up, and then I'm going to do some lawn work, and I'm going to listen to Ray's music all afternoon. Thank you, Ray. Anyway, have a great day.